Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for GoHenry child accounts. A great tool for teaching kids about money management. GoHenry is a prepaid debit card and app designed for children, allowing parents to manage their spending and savings. To get started, set clear goals and expectations with your child, explaining the importance of budgeting and responsible spending. GoHenry allows you to set weekly or monthly allowances, which will be transferred to your child's account. You can also set spending limits and restrictions on certain types of purchases. One of the key features of GoHenry is the ability to assign tasks to your child, which they must complete to earn their allowance. This teaches them the value of hard work and responsibility. You can also use the app to track your child's spending and provide feedback on their financial decisions. To encourage savings, consider setting up a savings goal with your child, such as saving for a specific item or long-term goal. GoHenry allows you to set aside a portion of their allowance into a savings account, which can help them develop a habit of saving. Another important aspect of using GoHenry is teaching your child about needs versus wants. Encourage them to prioritize essential purchases, such as food and clothing, over discretionary spending, such as entertainment or treats. In addition to teaching your child about money management, GoHenry also provides a safe and secure way for them to make purchases online or in store. The app allows you to monitor their transactions and receive notifications when they make a purchase. To get the most out of GoHenry, make sure to regularly review your child's account activity and provide feedback on their spending habits. This will help them develop healthy financial habits and a strong understanding of personal finance. By following these best practices and using GoHenry effectively, you can help your child develop essential money management skills that will last a lifetime. Remember to stay involved and engaged in their financial education, and be patient and supportive as they learn and grow. With GoHenry, you can give your child the tools they need to succeed financially and set them up for a bright and secure future.